Good morning, everyone. I am here for to solve the work energy power question of NCERT 5.8. So here answer the following with the reason carefully. Okay. First of all, in an elastic first question is in an elastic collision the two billiards ball is balls is the total kinetic energy during the short time of the collision of the ball, that is when they are in a contact, is conserved. So first of all, we need to understand that we always know that elastic collision. Suppose there is a elastic and inelastic collision. Inelastic collision. So kinetic energy is conserved, linear momentum is conserved, is conserved, and okay. Here also kinetic energy is conserved, not conserved. Kinetic energy in inelastic collision, in an inelastic collision is not conserved. So in an inelastic collision, kinetic energy is not conserved. Linear momentum, that is linear momentum and total energy remain conserved, right? So these are the two things, and these are the basic things. So first of all, we will do question number A. In an elastic collision, two billiards, the total kinetic energy conserved during short time of the interval. So see here, in short time of collision, so kinetic energy is conserved before and after collision. After collision, but during collision, during collision, kinetic energy gets converted into potential energy. Now, question number B. The total linear momentum conserved during the short time of elastic collision. Yeah, linear momentum. See, linear momentum is always conserved. Always conserved. Either before or after, or during collision. During collision. Okay. So I hope you have understood now. Now in case of in the C section, what are the answer to A and B? A for an inelastic collision. So for for section, if collision is your inelastic, then kinetic energy is less. Kinetic energy is less after collision. After collision, kinetic energy will not conserved. Kinetic energy will not conserved because I have already told that kinetic energy will not conserve for inelastic collision. And second case, linear momentum for inelastic collision. So linear momentum will conserve. Linear momentum will remain conserved. Remain conserved anytime. Anytime in an inelastic collision, in inelastic collision. Okay. Now, D. If the potential energy of two billiard balls depends only on the separation distance between their center, is the collision elastic or inelastic? Since potential, see here, if the potential energy of billiard balls depends on the potential energy depends upon separation distance. Separation distance. It means that force is conservative. It means force is conservative. Force is conservative, right? Force is conservative. Okay. So force is conservative. Okay, so a potential energy of two billiard ball depends only on the separation distance between their center. Is the collision is elastic or inelastic? Collision is elastic or inelastic? Hence here we can say that since force is conservative force, hence collision is elastic collision. Elastic collision. So whenever you will find the case of conservative force, so collision will be elastic collision. So I hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone.